Hi viewers, welcome back to the channel. This is Neela. In my previous video, I covered how to find square roots by a prime factorization method. See, that method is very useful when the number is a perfect square. But what if the given number is quite big? Or when you need to find the square root of decimal numbers? Or when you want to find the square root of 5 or 3, these are irrational numbers. Then the square roots by long division method is very useful. Okay, so today we will see how to find square roots of such numbers by long division method. Let's start. See, in the long division method, the first step is the grouping of number or pairing of number. Okay, we'll take few example. Let's say you need to pair 121 or you need to find the square root of 121. How you will do the grouping? You will start from right hand side, which is the rightmost digit. It is 1. So you will take 2 digits at a time. Okay, so 21 forms one group. Now since only one digit is left, so 1 forms another group. So here we form two groups, 1 and 21. If you are forming, if there are two groups, then your answer will also come in 2 digits. Okay, that I will tell you later also. Now take another example. For this, the first step is grouping. So you will start from the rightmost digit. It is 5. So you will take 2 digits at a time. So 25 forms one group, 06 forms another group, and 39 forms another group. So these are called grouping or pairing. It's one of the same thing. Okay, so this is the first step. Okay, now let's solve 576 through long division method. So first write down this number. After that you make lines. Now the next step is grouping. See, grouping will start from rightmost digit. So 76 forms a pair or it forms a group and 5 forms another group. Okay. Now we'll consider 5 first. Now you need to consider squares of numbers such that its value is either 5 or less than 5. So what we will do, we will write few squares here. See, 2 square is 4 and 4 is less than 5. Now 3 square is 9, but 9 is greater than 5. That means we will consider 2 square. So you will write 2 at the top and 2 at the side. So 2 twos are 4. 4 you will write just beneath 5. Now same 2 you will add on the left hand side and 4 you will subtract from 5. See, when you subtract 4 from 5 you get 1, and when you add on the left hand side 2 and 2, that will gives us 4. Okay, so this is the first round. Now if you see, we are still left with 76, the next group. So now you bring this group down. So the new number formed is 176. And always leave gap after this digit, which is on the left hand side. 4. Right now it is 4. See how we are going to fill it. I'll show you. See, in your practice area, first of all, you will write 4. Now we will try different numbers with 4. Let's say if you write 2 beside 4, then you need to multiply it by 2 only. So what we get? You get 84. See, we are looking for number either 176 or less than 176. And we are getting 84 now when we try 2. See, 84 is less than 176. It means we can try one number higher. So this time with 4, I am trying 3. So when you multiply 43 by 3, you get 129. And 129 is also smaller than 176. It means we can try one more number. Now this time when you write 4 beside 4, it becomes 44. And 44 on multiplying by 4 will give you 176. So we were looking for 176 only. So it means you will write 4 and in the left hand side and 4 at the top. So 44 fours will give you 176. Now same 4 you will add on the left hand side and 176 you will subtract from 176. So if you notice, we always do addition on the left hand side and we are doing subtraction on the right hand side. See, when you subtract 176 from 176, this will give you 0. And on the left hand side, when you add 4 to 44, it will give you 48. Okay, now we need to stop our division here because if you see, we got 0 as the remainder and there are no further groups to be solved. So what is the square root of 576? See, the square root of 576 is 24. And how many groups we formed initially? We formed two groups. Okay, so that is why your answer is also in 2 digits. And if you take double of 24, what you will get? You will get 48, which is here at the end. Okay, so these are the steps for the long division method. Okay, now look at the next question. See, find the least number which must be subtracted from 4000 to get a perfect square. So the question indicates that 4000 is not a perfect square. So what we will do first, we will see whether it's a perfect square or not. Okay, so we'll do it by long division method. So first of all, write down the number, forms lines like this. Now the first step is formation of group, and grouping we will start from the right hand side. So 0 0 forms first group and 40 forms another group. We will consider 40 first. Okay. Now we need squares of number such that its value is either 40 or less than 40. So we will write down few squares. See, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, and 7 square is 49. See, 7 square 49 is greater than 40. It means you need to consider 6 square. Okay. So you will write 6 at the side and 6 at the top. So that will give you 36. Okay. Now same 6 you will add on the left hand side. On the right hand side, you will do subtraction. So when you subtract 36 from 40, you get 4 as the answer. Now complete your addition on the left hand side. 6 plus 6 will give you 12. Now this completes our first step. Now you will consider second group, which is 0 and 0. So let's bring down it. So the new number formed is 400. Now in your rough area, you will try different combinations. So first of all, let's try 3 with 12. So when you write 3, the new number formed is 123. Now multiply it by 3 only. It gives you 369. See, 369 is less than 400. It means you can try another number as well. So let's try 4. So when you write 4, it will become 124. 124 on multiplication with 4 will give you 496. Now if you see 496 is greater than 400, you are looking for a number less than 400. So what you will do, you will write 3 at the side of 12 and 3 at the top. You will get 369. Now same 3 you will add on the left hand side, and we do subtraction on the right hand side. So when you subtract, you get 31, and on the left hand side when you add, you get 126. See, since we don't have further groups to be solved, and you got 31 as the remainder. When you are getting a remainder, when it is not 0, this shows that the number is not a perfect square. Now, how you can make this number a perfect square? You will subtract this 31 from 4000. So the new number formed is 3969. Now, when the 63 which you get at the top, this 63, this is the square root of 3969. So you can write that when you subtract 31 from 4000, you get 3969. And when you find the square root of 3969, you get answer as 63. Okay, so which number you must be subtract? You should subtract 31 from 4000 to make it a perfect square. Okay, now let's understand like how you do grouping or pairing when the number is in decimal. Okay, let's start from the first one. It is 250.5. Okay, so first we are considering the digits which are before decimal or which are on the left hand side of decimal. See, for the left hand side, you will always start from the digit just before decimal. So it is 50. You will take two digits at a time. And so the one group is 50 and the another group has 2 in it. So we form two groups just before decimal. And for the digit after decimal, you will start from the digit just after decimal. Since 5 is alone here, so you can add 0. So 50 forms another group. So we form three groups here. Likewise, let's consider next question. It is 65.4225. So first we will do for the left side of decimal. So for the left hand side, you will start from 5 by taking two digits at a time. So 65 forms a group. For the digits on the right side of decimal, you will start from the digit just after decimal. So it is 42. 42 forms a pair and then 25 forms a pair. So we form three groups here. Now the last one, 50.603. For the digits on the left side of decimal, you will start from 0. So 50 forms a group. And for the right hand side, you will start from 6. 60 forms a group. And since 3 is alone, you can add 0 there. So 30 forms another group. So this is how you do grouping when the number is in decimal. And by adding 0, it doesn't change the value. It helps in calculation. Okay, we'll try one more question. It is 66.4225. So first of all, write down the number. First step is, the next step is you put lines like this. Now we'll start forming group. Let's start forming group from the left hand side of decimal. So you will start from 6. So 66 forms a group. Now for the right hand side, you will start from 4. So 42 forms another group and 25 is your third group. So we form three groups here. So we are going to get answer in 3 digits. So we will start from 66. Now you need to find square of a number such that its value is less than 66 or equal to 66. So we will write down few squares. See, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, and 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81. See, 81 is greater than 66, so we will take 8 square, which is 64. So you will write 8 and 8 at the top and 8 at the side. 8 8 is 64. Now same 8 you will add on the left hand side, and 64 you will subtract from 66. See, on subtraction you get 2. On the left hand side you get 16. 8 plus 8 will give you 16. Now since after 66 you have decimal, so you will put same dot, you will put decimal after 8. Now we will consider our next group, which is 42. Now bring down 42. Next step is, now the new number formed is 242. Now in the practice area you can try different combination with 16. Let's say you try 2 this time. So when you multiply 162 with 2, you get 324. See, 324 is greater than 242. It means you will take 1. So 161 1 is 161. Now same 1 you will add on the left hand side, and on the right hand side you will do subtraction. On subtraction you get 81, and on the left hand side on addition you get 162. Okay, now still we have one more group. So you will consider 25. Now bring 25 down. So the new number formed is 8125. Now the steps are same. Now you will try a different combination with 162. Now one thing is, like, when the if you see 8125, see, when you see 8125, it is ending with 5. So whenever you do 5 multiplied by 5, you get 25. So that also ends with 5. So in your different combination, you can straight away try 5. So when you tried 5, you get 8125. So the new number was 162. You tried with 5, and the answer is 8125. See, we were looking for 8125 only. So straight away you can write 5 at the top and 5 at the side. Now it is 8125. Same 5 you will add on the left hand side. When you add 1625 plus 5, it will give you 1630. And on the right hand side, when you subtract 8125 from 8125, you get 0. Since you got remainder as 0 and there are no further groups to be solved, so the square root of given number is 8.15. You form three groups and you got your answer in 3 digits. Now let's see how to find the square root of 5. See, the steps are same. Write down the number first, draw lines like this, and we'll start pairing. Since there is only one digit, so 5 forms a pair. Okay, now you need to find the squares of number such that its value is either 5 or less than 5. See, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. We can't take 9, so we'll go for 2 square because 4 is less than 5. So you will write 2 at the top and 2 at the side. 2 2s are 4. 4 you will write just beneath 5. And same number 2 you will add on the left hand side. And 4 you will subtract from 5. See, when we subtract 4 from 5, you get 1 as the answer. And on the left hand side, you add 2 and 2, it gives us 4. See, now there are no further groups to be solved. So how to proceed further? See, you can put decimal after 5. Okay, now since you are putting decimal after 5, so same decimal you will add in your result as well. So after 2 also you put decimal. Okay, let's say we want to find our answer up to 3 decimal places. So for that you will take 3 pairs of 0. Okay, so after decimal you can add 3 pairs of 0. Now the next step is bring first pair of 0 down. Okay, now the next number formed is 100. So same thing we will do now. So in your practice area, you take 4. Now we'll try different combinations with 4. So when you do 42 multiply by 2, we get 84. So 84 is less than 100, so we can try 3 as well. So when we multiply 43 by 3, you get 129. See, 129 is greater than 100, so we will take 2 here. So you will write 2 beside 4 and 2 at the top. So 42 2s are 84. Now same 2 you will add on the left hand side. Now you will subtract 84 from 100. Okay, on subtraction you get 60 and complete your addition. So 42 plus 2 will gives us 44. Okay, now one more pair of 0, bring it down. So the new number formed is 1600. See, the steps are same. Okay, now in the practice area again you will write 44. Now let's say you tried with 3 this time. When you multiply 443 with 3, you get 1329. See, 1329 is less than 1600, so you can try 4 also. So when you multiply it 444 with 4, you get 1776. See, it is greater than 1600. It means we will take 3. So beside 44, you will write 3, and at the top also you will write 3. 443, 3 is a 1329. So you will write it down. And number 3 you will add on the left hand side. Now you do subtraction. After subtraction, you get 271. Complete your addition on the left hand side, we get 446. Now one pair of 0 is left, bring it down. Okay, now again you will follow the same steps, right? 446. This time I tried with 5 because if you see 27100 number is quite big. So that is I'm straight away trying with 5. So when I multiplied 4465 with 5, you get double 325. See, this number is smaller than 27100, so we can try 6. Now when we try 6 with 6, you get 26796. See, this number is very close to 27100. So you will take 6 now. At the top you write 6, at the side you write 6, and you get 26796. Now number 6 you will add on the left hand side and you will do subtraction on the right hand side. So you get 304 as the remainder. So see, we calculated up to 3 decimal places. If they ask you to calculate for till 4 decimal places, so you can add one more pair of 0. Okay, and the steps will remain same. So the square root of 5 is approximately 2.236. I hope the long division steps are clear to you. Okay, now it's your turn to practice more and more. So you can try solving square roots of these numbers. You can try solving for decimal numbers as well. And also try for solving for single digit like 3 and 7 and 2. Okay. And if this video helped you, please do like, subscribe and share my channel for more. Thank you so much.